Welcome to our channel. If you're facing collections on a bank account, follow these step-by-step instructions to handle it and protect your credit. Step 1. Verify the debt is legitimate by requesting written validation. Contact the collections agency and ask for documentation proving you owe the debt and they have authority to collect. Step 2. Understand that unpaid bank accounts can be reported to ChexSystems. This consumer reporting agency tracks negative banking history and can prevent you from opening accounts at other banks. Step 3. Negotiate a pay-for-delete agreement if possible. Ask the collections agency to remove the negative report from ChexSystems and credit bureaus in exchange for payment. Step 4. Get any agreement in writing before making payment. Never pay a collections account without documented proof of what the collector promises in return. Step 5. Pay the debt in full if you can afford it. This resolves the collections account and prevents further damage to your banking and credit history. Step 6. Request a payment plan if you cannot pay in full immediately. Many collections agencies will accept monthly payments to resolve the debt over time. Step 7. Send payments via methods you can document like certified checks or money orders. Keep receipts and copies of all correspondence as proof of payment. Step 8. Request a letter confirming the debt is paid in full once you've completed payment. Obtain documentation showing zero balance and that the account is satisfied for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.